me guess no. Nice personality. Na ono so ekwoye marathon ni bi. It's a marathon e bedru Ghana ha na obi a be se book ne ntete ya Ghana fo ye nyemu. Joseph Edu Peprah. Any sense no okoye DRUMATHON. Drama marathon ye twa so any DRUMATHON wuti ase. Good morning.
Good morning, Felicia.
Me pa cho bibi aboko.
Bibi aboko na so e.
Nyame adome so me ho ye pa. Na no me hu ha last week, was it last week?
Yeah,
last week. Me hu na so watadi ya o picture dem fefefe ya. Na you say those who cry, you now say oboban wa sorry them. Oboban wa sorry them.
Yeah.
Then ma o yes so be take is a step away.
Okay, so first of all no, me chia me tie phone na.
Okay.
And then me team DRUMATHON.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, inti baby am ko bia na ya de bia me ka say me self motivated. And you bia na try me say ade am me nye.
Okay.
Me na dakro. Me sorry and me decide say me. But then we from inspiration I mean free if we sing-a-thon. And I me realizing we say okay, why not aduma che dia nyame de ma me drumming. So I think say Guinness World Record with a platform ya kwenya kesia I ma me say me so me showcase me talent to the world. Inti Onua ni nti a me say me attempt sa record
we.
Yeah.
Now then I want British Got Talent and na say mentor they say enyum to and na bibi sa anko showcase since you want the world to know I will choose Guinness Book of Record.
Okay. Once the British Got Talent in the in rules are level no. Yenya akwenya biase be too kwan. Nti for now ni the Guinness World Record no a platform bia eno no easier to access across the whole world. Into come portal na no register. Nti nyame ya wadom na say reasons are all the more for the attempt no so we okay, first of all no send ya me di kan kai no me person me showcase me talent to the world.
Yes.
And secondly so enyum na me bono so no I'm playing like more of our local Ghanaian songs no to promote our songs too. And as thirdly so me person me project baby a me event no which is Awushanya market. Person me project
we in the market on ti ona mo do glass ni kwa kusi
e dey we glass ni kwa kusi nti me ye wa Awushanya market person me promote society no because you see I can say nkofo bebre kwa Ghana hampo mu ni baby kwa friend na anya market.
Yeah, what is so special about a 100% nkofo eba ho be
a marketplace a center the center of the community a honso polyclinic wo so many departments here wo ambulance service wo fire service wo police station wo and a honso omunda kra a hono mu penije pa nti ye papa baako 7 years okwajiman a hona o hosti majority of ne ahomansia live band no
nti me ba o hona ote ho na anya hona ote
yeah hona me kwa sorry ba me te ben sa area no me wa awushi and a market on your floor anya market
anya
yes
anya market so busu ni bi shop ho na
okay there be me hona ma sorry wo ICGC the Royal Temple. Yes
you want to project the church.
Yes, the church also.
The main aim is to tell people that there's a church there.
Not necessarily a church
but
there.
we should come and market there.
Yes.
Into obi waka so on fa camera nya market beto fish.
On beto
nkruma.
Yes.
We an masafa car call.
No masafa car.
That is a very good idea.
Yeah.
Into all take us over fa car buy nya market beto fish.
Obeba because of DRUMATHON ti obeba.
Okay. Then make us aside DRUMATHON no cry say we DRUMATHON now you also will project market now.
Yeah.
That is the main we we want people to also as you said there you want abroad food to come and see say there's another market be a wo no ma. Market no so a bit to me accommodate the number of people you are calling for because here hey for sing-a-thon now we no park so which was able to accommodate more than 200 people at once. Any market on a bit me accommodate that a lot of people.
Of course on a bus terminal but currently no mu use.
Okay.
Just the entrance honey keke na taxis be a park wo ho use but bus terminal me fan is the size ni be sa Chimota new station a ho kesi.
Okay.
Yes and a hospital no so inside polyclinic no inti a ho no platform a ho super inti be accommodating go for we
na say e ho no sheda enya active ni say hospital mu nya nipa
Yes, in no so we
Okay.
need to a program back where be money pay so in aba ho say hospital bi
So we yare waka so a faka bra ho ba hospital. Na bra na won faka na dey mesinsi.
Oh, enye say kaso apesi ba ablekuma even nkofo kra o market one po munim say hospital.
Hospital wo ho. Hospital wo ho.
Yes.
Into hospital, are they sponsoring this event you are bringing on board? Are they sponsoring?
Yeah, they are part of the.
What are they bringing on board to help the project?
Their compound health team.
Okay.
They are also there to support us.
It's our health team no na omo boa o.
Omo ka me health. Enye omo nko a e
Okay.
other hospitals near other people almost omo on board, but almost so omo ka ho bi.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. The idea behind it, no, I think it's brilliant. And a market women no boa omo dey no mbeye.
Okay, omo penny je pa. And I think say we so be a great opportunity am omo say ko for so ebeto omo products.
Beto omo product.
Yes.
Because oba window shopping, oba say.
No.
Exactly. Into our pomodine no, check it, no. Are you healthy for this activity?
Yeah, my medicals, my ECG, my checking my kidney, my liver, my blood, my checking bibia, my passy bibia, me 100%.
100%.
Yeah.
Inti sebe uko tina na bibi to chima na say bibia na to chima, not your health.
Yeah, you say nipa there, be nipa there.
Of course.
My head is a machine. I know they mean can that machine to me touch him at any point in time.
Very true.
But you make sure so say me health team normally a solid health team to make sure so say and aside that so you den pipe also
air tie tree.
Yes.
Wow, we share drumming as how many years in here to be to sana mo. How
okay,
many years?
if me call bremu ni na drumming na aduma chede anya me dia che. Nti me sha say me kasa say nipa de. And I'm starting say me bo drums.
Into professionally, how many years has it been?
Okay, professionally I've played drums for 12 years.
12 years.
Yes.
How a day? No, how long have you played in a day? How long?
Okay.
Have you played more than 6 hours in a day?
More than that.
When was that?
Okay, towards this event, no, my practicing 5 days straight.
Okay.
Yeah, but on a regular day, you know, me rehearse biana, maybe want me rehearse like 8 hours, 10 hours a day.
Okay, into DRUMATHON, how many days are you going?
I'm going for 7 days.
That's a 1 week.
Yeah.
7 days a day be a break is an hour.
Okay, into 1 hour be me or 5 minutes. 1 hour be me or 5 minutes. Into me to me accumulate this 5 minutes, no. Into be I find say me drama for 10 hours. Me to me 15 minutes. Na me to me they are called rest.
Now they are called rest.
Yeah.
Because I think say 5 minutes then are the way.
And this one. And with drama no so no say okay say who follow 1 hour 5 minutes now you break down. It was so called longer periods. Say na be ya obinya more rest breaks. Now they are rest now we gain energy in the back.
Into will be a woman or massage one because
Yes.
on Sun or the Koya Jume.
Me wo
Massachusetts.
Chatman.
Okay. And I said, wait,
Massachusetts.
Me
grab me hubo.
Well, who by now should I?
Oh, but me share that.
Well, who? I'm on massage from Osei.
Massage for.
Hey, bra. Yeah, from Osei.
Massages.
Do a TV film, Mr. Bow, more microphone, you go more.
Massage therapist.
Yeah.
David. And from Osa.
And I mentioned that.
Miss Musosa, baby. Producer. There be from DB. Ain't body no. Me producer soon nim or soon nim. Onim. Ye from maso se DJ Kobo so ha untie nyum bia. There be there's this word that masseuse.
And a French word.
Also know the French as a French.
E kwasa one.
Masseuse, oh yeah.
Yes, masseuse na me pe no.
Monsieur, they say you.
One mun nyina ntumi ehu adekro mun nyanya hwe nye de bia na be hu we editation papa mon ntumi ehu
You feel it.
papa nti wanyo mom be gina obetie miemi obetini ade.
Yeah, nti Chatman Herbal Clinic almost support almost sponsor event nti omo be ma both me team no free massage.
Oh, this is nice.
Even before the event, during the event and after the event.
After the event.
Yes.
Really ka feel pacho worry.
There be me.
On our girl o do to any more say.
Ndi chira say me we kan ho ase.
There be say yeah because obi say ni je ho.
On NCA PI we kan ho ase.
Ti be ko no ntwen na onyi nani.
On twen.
On we never too hold.
On hold.
If I show up besides that question or that room was a train, now open a train, no about training we are. Uncle find someone in a girlfriend. It's in patch your dates in the air that
okay, date near 25th April. A year Yawada be.
Oh, see,
2 days from now.
because and 23rd.
Yes.
Oh, this is fast.
Yeah.
Why are boy?
My yahu boapa.
Into 25th April.
Yeah.
Ewo enyano
Enya market. I wish Enya market.
Enya market.
Yeah.
Time being
Time near 7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Yes.
Into
Yeah, Mr. Tia, I know I say me kwa, I say me come stop it. And one say
so you want to stop.
I want
They were breaking the record no and how many years and how months?
Yeah, Onua yeah 134 hours 5 minutes. Onua 5 days.
Okay.
5 days 14 hours. E kakakra nanka we nya be 6 days. Yeah. Inti me 7 days.
We 7 days.
Yeah.
And me more hoden pa because enye journey ketwa.
Debi enya de ketwa.
Debi into wo mom beto nyuma wa capella bi won chen na.
Okay, inti ye live band nso a eno so be one side e be entertain the crowd no. At a point in time no live band no bands be pass it through, musicians so be pass it through. Inti ebi wo ha omo name be jame, ebi wo ho nso omo nko a be jame. No make keep it crowd just to keep the place lively.
Into be body and the guarantee na say rhythm.
Per the guidelines no e was all drummy to recognizable tunes.
Okay.
At least enyoma omoko because all send evidence now after the event all send evidence now all the list of songs our boni na ebe momo. It is almost searching you bia na was all making sure some be who online. It me DJs now me main DJ now me use no DJ Trillion was sample all the songs no. If we Boom Play, Apple Play, Spotify, those we in well-known like apps, no, in the end they definitely say Guinness World Records for no. So we review evidence now, they will definitely get the songs over there.
Na moko hu rexoma.
Maybe who ne?
Na mo dem pay. If I sang ton dey no te so mo give permission for musicians no am be so mo use omonyum before you use the songs.
Then training na yebo.
Say ko beat. Beat no there.
Dabi.
What I say say the beya that you mean can say copyright ni ade.
Yeah.
Exactly. Say maybe say question. Now what can disqualify you from this marathon ya okoi? What can disqualify you?
Okay, nti o hwe obi ti say efua ne file am de yi say na omo base omo reasons no what the rest breaks. Yes, rest breaks, which is the 1 hour 5 minutes. No, in TBI, I'm fine to say what performing for 1 hour, I was all resting for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, never technical. Me say I'm fine say drumming. No, the moment me sorry if drums, ne so say me koye. I shall say 5 minutes. Na shall say. Inti me nanti ako washroom. Maybe my jari bibia samba back. Say 5 minutes 1 second crab toso crab na ashegu. Inti eno ye one thing na eno so mbetimi ejina so buy like a whole lot nyama bebre wo so a e wo ho so mbetimi ejina so rules na do so pa me ka say me ka me
into what if say ba na wo brana say if the sound fades it shall say fade ya it may disqualify one because if what there no the woman and the voice not she was singing in there we say she was trying but none no it wasn't coming out but she was opening her mouth near the idea ebi onu so gina mo disqualifying nti no sa no but my disqualify one
yeah inti me no per me rule no e was say nyum bia obo not less than 2 minutes.
Okay,
so it should be 2 minutes or more. Inti say senior okana say oh boy bia about 1 minute 30 seconds maybe I call off and also I disqualify. So you should make sure say everything should be in place. Inti also make sure say 2 minutes ne they over hit it and now transitioning from one song to another song no a grace period of 30 seconds.
Wow.
Into ubonyum baku we are grace period of 30 seconds. No, was about the next song. So what I say? Yes. Into 30 seconds. Ne kra no betimi asori. E the eye stretches big kakra we be a we chi kakra na what na say. Into me team no ye no ye be time ye hu 20 seconds to be on the safer side. Say ne be ya yen say 30 seconds ni na be so ansa. Afi na oba be bonyum. No be affect you.
They were say about one who senior the more than the pan never go through because what the measures at 12 when say they were to me a go pan about to me a jail dear because so far Ghana had it. Oh, yeah, I'm not try but obeying why the man if I were in ya filing ya get back on card or die, Cabana Quatman. Kumasi no corner beats managing no card or die. And as you say, you know, a train chef Smith. boy na no so no so
kebab
marine spirit the coffee feel be anu ono so dey mo hu Kisaton
yeah
they didn't be seen a quarantine results
no actually a record Guinness World Record I accept it
one
maybe I know here for fun and I say for hype and I say but o mo portal na bibi ti say you in damwa growness are there be enya allowed
and no be say you no be could die 15 hours bibi asani
gala for there
yeah Kisaton be on one na di agro
yeah
na di agro yo pa any na me pacho Mr. Peprah we no team of final words.
Okay, yeah here na say am for Ghana for na better because we are trying to put Ghana on the map. Into no idea back we here plan say here sponsorship. Into no bibia OTA ye na pay. Wo pese obe sponsor ya number it babe tudwa. Number is 055-240-3196. 055-240-3196. Currently, a few sponsors on board, Bini Belakwa, any other sponsors are mean to boom in idea. I mean, into sponsors be on board, and now we pay better idea because BBI idea no Jumedian market center into no audience now on I mean Omodoso, a month will be ever into better idea or honso. I mean, we market 2 products or service. So I bet you my phrase 055-240-3196. You know, be doing common ya show can be fast about better idea. And you best say Ghana adjunct to 4 any album movies in Adena. So almost so better each Nina Ghana and selling into no. Obi be out here and nana pay. Obi amba met and better each in I am for Ghana. The whole world na Obi ide. And Tianka. The final way say it.
Now what all cast sponsors one cast obi obe mama abani bi nebua. And I'm be a go.
Okay. Into sweet music audio pro mo no sponsor instruments na any PA ni bibia me use be a machine bia. Into omo no be provide more stakes amame. Into say bukra na me was spare ho.
Yeah. And lastly drama ya junior dramathon. After the event also person in ye juma so we bet me contacting. I mean so wa man on wo Ghana na person because we professional drama. Into no we jum to ni we obi upese woni ye juma. I mean based on contract we bet me afre na woni na ye juma. Na ya tena sini akasa.
Yo. Eda masipa for passing through. Odo kata bi why ye baby na manyi bi de kasa bi.
Okay na me so me say ma meka no say ye invite you bia say wo crampo no ye hia ya pass through ye be mama ni age that day no
obey den na obey obi na age.
Okay me say meto nyom ti no
oh ye singer
yeah me ye singer
omo kra omo wa oh ye singer
omo a cappella
ai see the muti hwe ni die atop my cappella ayo mo papa wa kra omo say obey oh say mama
oh yeah
oh he say the
what that
atop my cappella na ye pampon
okay I say afise say na me dan na me sie wie masa me kete hu na ma sie ekwa yenkobi ye ba ye ma na manya se kan ya ma konta ewi asimobi mho obi be
de bi nyesa ne to no se me aya san you we de me obi o ti ye se
obi he obi ba
shase foforo afise say na me dan na me sie wie
masa me kete hu na ma
sie
kete bu
Singer didn't go shase foforo
kete bunu
na chese den Debi o
kete hu na kete bu
Debi afese se na me dan na ma sie wie me hye me geto mu na me sie ekwa mi kobi ye ba me ba na menya se kan dia ma akonta ewi asimo bi nhwe wo bi be menye adwumaden na majipe ahaba mete so obeti the baby monkra na
and Felicia that then pass through your mama meba go say I will say we there
ja
you expect to
pa lyrics
e was obeje sanya me dey ndem da kra mitumi hu le
fa baby ye kra
macho it has been a lovely conversation with you. Thank you for passing through.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we wish you the best of luck on the 25th 5th of April.
Yeah.
Ewo awoshi enya
Enya
market. Sure. Yami aduma time na you're saying.
7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Yeah.
Thursday.
Thursday to
Thursday.
Thursday.
Okay. Eni nyame aduma e ba beta mo chi e de odone nka bo masa e mo odene ba beta mo chi.
That's it.
Bye bye.
Bye.
That's it.
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.